Hey guys, be extra footage as well. So I got my, don't want to say a project at hand, but I got stuff I gotta do here. So I'm gonna get everything out of the boat here. So this boat right here, and after that has gas, not gas, but leaves all here. And trying to get them all out, but boy, I got a lot of crap in here. I'll use this boat once this year. No, maybe next year we can use it. I can get this crap out. It's just the so basically, these are all leaves that the accumulated out here over time. I'm not sure if there's gas here or not. The gas tank is right there, so warlocks are not freaking way. This thing's been sitting out here all year long. For a while, I guess. Hey, what are you doing, huh? Yeah. That's been This is all my grandfather's idea doing this, but he said, "Oh, it must be done, must be done." That's what both my grandparents are telling me. I really don't want to do it because it's a pain in the ass. But before we do that, I want to get all these leaves out of here first. Because, look, looks like crap over here. Look at this gas is leaking. It's a strong aroma of gas. But the gas tank is right behind me, so gotta pick some of these leaves right out like this. Look at this. How that got in there. We're gonna take this thing out to Lake Francis this year with Hallie, but I don't know. He had problems. He had to sell his house, and Hallie's his friend. I had some little failed footage of us taking the boat out. I just call it failed footage because I didn't catch anything on camera. That's what I call failed footage. So, but maybe next year we can do it. So it'll be some video for the future. So I gotta take care of everything here, get everything off I need to get out. I think we can keep there's gonna be some leaf left over, but must be a windy day today, so. Alright, now I gotta move to the bow of the boat. I always get confused with the bow and the stern. Might sound silly, but actually, for watching SpongeBob, I know the differences. Even though grandfather uses the boat because he has a license for it, I'm still the captain of the boats we have. I'm the guy that catches the fish and knows all the stuff. Now I got a whole bunch of leaves right here. This is a 2014 boat right here. I don't know the exact model. God, we used to have a tracker, but we got from some guy. We had a tracker we got in 2018, but it's too expensive, so we sold it in late 2020 and got this. I didn't know what kind of boat it is. Nice boat though. This grandpa's horrible at backing it in and pulling it out of boat launches. That's why I'm afraid to take this thing out. So I put everything in the front of the boat. This stuff we can keep in here, I think. It's just the important stuff like tackle box and stuff like that. You gotta take out. Oh. This is Grandpa's piss cup because he has a bladder problem, I guess. Wants to piss over 5 minutes of the trip. Well, I'm a real man. I can keep my piss in all day long. Well, not just because I'm 23 and my grandfather's 75. It's not just that case. Just also because I'm a tough son of a bitch. I train myself to go a whole day without pissing, even if it does cause colon cancer. All right, I think I got most of the leaves out. I hate doing this. But I gotta move this out of the way. You know, I don't think we really have to, do we? Oh. This is where the gas scent is coming from. So I'm not gonna film all this because my camera doesn't last. This camera I'm using doesn't last very long, and frankly, I guess you guys want to see like 20 minutes of me cleaning out a boat. So the only thing I gotta clean right now is the back. It's the stern right there. So now I'm dripping out the water right here because it's a lot in there. Clean out the boat. Most of the leaves and everything is out of there. It's not perfect, obviously, but it's real damp in there. So, and then in the springtime, we're just gonna have to take the hand vac or whatever and clean all this out. As long as Mr. Perfect doesn't come out and be like, "Hey, no, we can't have that. I gotta have it nice and clean." Doesn't really matter. There's not that much water in there anyway. I don't know where that picture went, where a little bit higher, not too much though. It's enough so you don't want it to pop out of its thingy, so. Oh. But, I don't know. We don't have a hole leak or anything. This boat, it's not too high tech, it's not too cheap. It's right in the middle. So good that even other fishermen are saying how. I took a picture of it one day and what are you doing? It's like being too blue-eyed. I can. What? How you doing? I'm good. There's one. I gotta pull this. Oh yeah. Get all this crap.
I'll check this side, so it should be okay.
All right. It's like that tight as I want. Yeah, I think it's pretty as good as it gets. I think that I don't know. Does that go over the propeller or?
You know what? Yeah, it probably does. Yeah.
You know, that
give it a try.
Would make more sense. As I call it, this field. I don't know. I think it goes.
Can you loosen it up a little bit?
That's about loose as it gets, I think.
Okay.
No, I think that just holds everything. I think.
All right. Okay.
I think the other thing. Yeah, I think the other one there. I don't know. Yeah, maybe.
Away.
I think this right here goes over the whole prop itself.
Okay.
Cause
sounds good.
Yeah. Just gotta find a way to do that. Alright, I'm gonna tie it first. That'd probably help. If I can do that. Okay, there we go. There we go. Oh yeah. What do I do with the box?
Okay. Ouch.
Careful, dude.
Anything in there?
No, just junk, I guess.
You sure? What's the other blue thing in there?
Just a piece of crap, I guess, that went somewhere. I don't know.
What's this thing?
That's for the strap.
Oh, you know what that is?
What?
That's patch stuff. If you get any holes in that, you can patch them up with that. That's great. We're gonna save that.
Mm-hmm.
But that you can throw away, I guess.
Okay. You mean like the?
But we gotta put this someplace so we won't lose it. Okay.
All right.
Where are you gonna put this?
Oh, what? You mean that? Maybe in the shed, I guess. I don't know where else.
Thinking.
Where?
What I'm thinking?
Where? In the truck? Alright.
Let's have the truck in the boxes to get inside here.
Alright.
Put it in here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now you can put that in the recyclables, I guess.
Okay.
Anything else you can think of that? All right, huh?
I think so.
Do you think we ought to put the tongue down there
So
it's not tilted so much, or what do you want to do?
I guess we could do that. I don't see the harm in that. Yeah, that's
careful. We don't want to get you hurt there.
No, I think it's as good as I can get it. You know, yeah.
Tell you what, I'm gonna lift it up and turn that thing around this way.
Okay.
The block. No, the block.
Oh, okay.
No, it's not like that.
Oh, me this way?
No, well, no.
I know what you mean.
Okay. Just turn it around so it's this way instead of this way.
Uh-huh. Like, oh, this way, maybe?
Yes, yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna improve it so the tire's not...
Okay, that should be fine, huh?
And why don't we put the whole box in the recyclable, or just...
Yeah, the whole box is fine.
Okay. Cool. Alright.
Anything else?
Not that I can think of. Good, mate.